loves cheese.
Oh, awesome. Firstly, if our head was made of cheese, cheese lovers will not be able to hide their happiness. Secondly, if our head was made of cheese, there will be no need to buy cheese separately now. Thirdly, if our head was made of cheese, some people may just ignore their breakfast and keep on tasting themselves. Fourthly, cheese melts easily in summer. If our head was made of cheese, the same may happen with our head. Lastly, if our head was made of cheese, rats will never leave us alone.